Hello everybody. Love is undefeated. Anyway, I don't have any data on my phone, but we saw a wreath that's available on the Amazon treasure truck that I think we're gonna go pick up. Now I'm picking a location. I can pick up the treasure truck. The treasure truck will be in Hell's Kitchen from 11 to 12:30. 2 to 4 in Lower Manhattan. 2:30 to 4:30 in Sunset Park, Industis, Brooklyn. Midtown 5:30 to 7 on West 28th. 6 to 7 on Staten Island. Which one do you want?
Hell's Kitchen.
Alright, so we're going to pick Hell's Kitchen, location West 34th. Place your order and pick up today 11 to 12:30 p.m. on West 34th Street in Hell's Kitchen.
Is it all cities or just select cities, assuming?
Yeah, the bigger cities.
Bigger cities.
So here, New York. I know there's one in Portland, Seattle.
So every day they have a different item that you can get and pick up at the same time. And what have they done so far?
Oh, they had that roast for Thanksgiving.
Roast.
And then they had like that warming thing.
Oh.
I showed you that warming one
Mm-hmm.
that you put in there. That they had like an espresso thing. So they've had a few bigger items,
Mm-hmm.
like between $20 and $50.
Mm-hmm.
And today it was a wreath.
Wreath. Can't go wrong with a wreath.
No, we could put that up on our door or wherever we want.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
You want donuts? Were you dreaming about donuts? Hmm? Little man wakes up these days either asking for chocolate or donuts.
My mom's calling.
Got a sweet tooth.
Oh, what is that?
Look at those, buddy. Look at the wall.
Can't see it behind the bridge now. But they have all of FDR blocked.
Yeah.
The waterway, the police are on all of the bridges.
Right.
Look, they have everything. They have like this huge perimeter set up, so it must be them.
Must be for Trump.
Finished up these stops at a good time, huh?
Yeah.
We wouldn't have been able to.
No, go up FDR.
Treasure truck.
Contact.
Oh, okay. This is really cute. What do you think, Blue? That's the wreath we're getting. Yay!
And we got it, buddy, the wreath! Yay!
A wreath, yeah. Oh, wow!
Oh, sorry. There you go.
Look it, buddy! Grab something. Grab
Plane, paper plane.
Oh, thank you.
Right.
Some bubbles.
Oh, bubbles.
All right, buddy.
And some pencils. Yeah.
Wow. Thanks so much.
Keep grabbing here.
Oh, thank you.
Great, thank you.
Oh, wow. 2017. Oh, so nice. You got some treasures. Look at that. A stick. Uh-huh. Run! Whoa! Still working on our manners. Yeah. A lot of work to do on our manners. But he doesn't seem bothered much by it. Onyx, easy.
not so
like-
sure about the like attract like thing, because I think people who are pretty positive and have a pretty good, go at life, they attract a lot of negative personalities. So they're walking down the street, getting harassed left and right because there's so many soulless people on the, on the streets today.
Well, you were just saying, like, when we were picking up the treasure truck.
Right.
Well, like, there were, like, so many things going on at the same time.
So we pulled
the
up.
parking people were asking if you were parking.
Right.
The police were pulled up to investigate some guy.
Yeah, behind
in
the parking area. He
in
was
the
hiding
parking-
there, but I thought they were coming after me for some
We're
reason.
trying to pick up the treasure truck.
Right. Then the treasure people didn't even realize I was there for them until I said I was there for them.
Right.
They said, "Oh, you're here to pick up." Okay, yeah,
Meanwhile,
you're fine.
this nutball is acting like a nutball.
Right.
It shouldn't be that hard. And Chloe then starts to get all anxious after. It's like all this stuff going on at the same time. Phones are buzzing. Moms are calling.
Yeah.
You know?
It's like ridiculous. But like I said, that's all that positive energy. So, yeah,
Positive attracts negative.
all that dang. And then I remember
But overall, it was a great experience. I would
Yeah, it
say
was a
that I
good-
would
yeah.
definitely do it again. It was
a
like
lot
so
of different
cool.
things. Yeah.
You pull up, it's all lit.
Right.
And then Chloe got his little treasures.
Right.
And we got our wreath.
Right.
What a good deal.
We even had treats for Onyx.
Lynch Creek Farm holiday brochure. Oh, very nice. What do you think?
Looks great to me. What do you think?
It's beautiful.
Amazing, huh? It's a really nice
It
wreath.
doesn't really smell like Christmas tree, but I think maybe when it like warms
Oh,
up.
it starts, yeah. I bet when it starts warming up and it starts drying out a little bit. All right, so I got the wreath. Here's the wreath, nice big wreath. Looks good. Nobody has to know that I dropped it on the floor twice because it fell off the hook. But, I know, I'm kind of thinking maybe to balance everything out, I should put it on the wall instead of the door. But I guess that's good for now. Okay, Merry Christmas.